Hello everybody and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. For this video, I will be showing you how to turn this cute little sauce dish into a cute little ring dish. If you're interested in seeing this video, stand by. Alright, so the items you'll need for this project are fairly simple. You'll just need a sauce dish. I brought this. It was a set of 4 and I believe they were $9.95 off of Amazon. I will definitely put the description in the link in the description box below so you can go ahead and check it out if you want to complete this project. You'll also need a vinyl decal. Your vinyl decal can be anything. It could be a saying. It can be someone's initials. It's whatever you want to put into this dish. And you'll also need transfer tape to transfer your decal into the dish. I believe that is all that you'll need for this particular project. If I'm missing anything, I will definitely put it in the description box below. All right, with that out of the way, let's get started. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're just going to weed your project. And I didn't weed it just to show you. When I have smaller, skinnier letters, I try to put like a square around it so it's easier to weed the smaller, skinnier font off. Somehow I lost my eye by cutting the vinyl, so I don't know where that went to. But I just wanted to show you how I put like a square around the smaller font so it's easier to weed. So minus the one, like it cut out fine, but then somehow it disappeared when I was just cutting the pieces of vinyl. So I don't know, but at any rate, the smaller pieces typically stay in place, and I'm not even sure I'll be using this date, so at any rate, okay, so because I lost my other one, I won't be putting the date onto the on the ring holder, but yeah, actually let me go ahead and cut that away. And this is another example of how the smaller font kind of just stays. So let me see if I can actually get it to do what it's supposed to do, which is stay on the paper. So I'm not sure if it's getting in the camera. Alright, so I mean, it's still vinyl, so you still have to kind of make sure it stays on the backing, but for the most part you don't have any issues losing any of your smaller letters. So you see how that just kind of weeded real easy, like by making the square around, if I put in a square around it. Alright, so it can be initials or a saying. So as you see, this one says together forever. So that can go in the middle of the dish, or you could just put the letters inside the dish. I think I'm gonna just go along with the letters for this one. I'm gonna grab another one and put the words. As soon as I get this transfer tape, there we go. And it's real easy. All you're doing is putting your vinyl into the dish. Simple as that. And that's it. So you just made a dish, like a plain sauce dish into like a cute little ring dish. I don't have a ring near me or anything like that, so you can just imagine putting a ring in there, and when you're like taking a shower, they're putting the wooden rings in there or what have you, putting on lotion, you know. So it's just like a cute little ring dish for couples, or if you wanted to put your keys in there, you can put your keys in there, whatever. But it's a cute little way to spice up a sauce dish and make it a ring dish. So let me grab another dish and I'm going to show you what it looks like with the saying in there. All right, so I grabbed another dish, and because though I don't want the words to shift or move by weeding out the insides of the letters, I'm just going to weed it when it's on the dish. All right, let me make sure I get this in there. Just make sure you rub it so it can adhere to the dish. And you don't have to put anything on top of this, like any UV resin or any epoxy or anything like that, because it shouldn't come up. It's 651 vinyl, and it's not being, you know, used any type of way other than to put a ring or anything in there. So it should not lift or anything. So let me just go in. And just try not to scratch the dish. If you end up reverse weeding it. And that's that one. That's cute. All right. And they just put their little rings in there. Like, boom. And ta-da, that's it. So this one, like I said, is a really quick project. It's something, if you're doing like a wedding line, I do plan to expand and do a wedding line, like boxes and such like this. So if you were ever interested in starting your own wedding line, you can add this to your inventory or whatever, because it's really easy to do. It's really simple to do. And like I said, you can get like 4 of these off of Amazon for $9.99. And I will put the dimensions into the description box below if you're interested in purchasing them. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and then go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel, and then hit the notification bell to be notified for when I drop new videos. All right, everyone, until next time, peace.